Hey, it's Alex here from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. All you Harley Davidson riders, you'll want to watch this video. From Muddy River Tactical, we have a special surprise for you. It is a holster to fit inside your one-touch saddlebag, and we're going to send this off over to Harley Davidson here, and they're going to show you how it works.
I'm Ted Schaefer from Cannonball Harley Davidson, and I'm showing you the Muddy River Tactical saddlebag holster. This thing fits real clean inside the saddlebag. It's easily accessible, especially with the new 2014 and up one-touch saddlebags. The gun fits in there really nicely. Man, that thing is in there tight. So you don't have to worry about your gun bouncing around in your saddlebag, getting damaged or anything like that. Super easy to install as well. 2014 and up, you have the one-touch saddlebags. You pull your gun out, set it down, undo your saddlebag screw, pull it out. This slides right in. Nice fit to it. Once you get it all buttoned down, gun goes right in there. Even with the saddlebag lid speakers, fits in there really nice. This is one of the better products. This one is designed to match my bike. This is my personal motorcycle, and if you want to change it out and put it in another motorcycle that you own, super easy to take out and add in there. So comes in many different designs. Muddy River Tacticals did a really good job at molding this to fit the Shield Plus, and like I said, it fits in there really well. So that's my review on this Muddy River Tactical saddlebag holster for the Shield Plus.